with Melody, and today she's going to show us another super easy to make recipe on the go.
Yeah, so now we're going to make frozen Momo banana bites.
Yum!
Yes, so let me introduce. So first we're going to have one banana, and then we're going to have a Momo almond butter. And here we have a mixture of flaxseed and chia seed. Remember before we talked about having potassium being one of the things that people are usually deficient in. And flax seeds are actually really, really high in potassium.
That's great.
So this is a great combination to have. Okay, so why don't you peel the banana and slice it slice it thinly for me.
Thinly,
yes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna mix almond butter into this mixture. So you just eyeball everything. So everything about the recipes that I create is, it's super simple and you don't really need to measure anything.
I feel like a lot of people get really intimidated when they see a lot of instructions and steps to follow.
Yeah, I think whatever, some people might like pumpkin seeds, some people might like chia seeds. So you can actually just customize whatever you want in here.
Putting my limited cooking skills to use.
Yes. I mean, you're helpful.
If I can make this, you guys can make this. So.
It's super, super simple. I'm just going to get a little more. So you basically use the almond butter and to form a paste. So it's going to be like this. So it's like really pasty. So the point of this is we want it to be thick enough because we're going to sandwich the banana. So we're going to place a banana in the bottom and then place this in the middle and then sandwich one on top.
Like a burger.
Yes, it's like a mini banana burger. And in the end, we're going to dip it in chocolate.
Wow, that sounds so decadent.
Yes.
Are you sure this is healthy?
It is. Trust. Okay, so first off, we just place one on the bottom. And then using a spoon, you just want to take a small dollop. You place it there, and you want to sandwich it for me. Yeah.
I want it to be like a small one looks good on it.
Yeah. 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 So
perfect.
So yeah, good. Really cute.
Do this.
So I'm gonna do this, and you'll help me sandwich, okay? Yeah.
Bloop.
Yeah. Yes.
Bloop.
Sometimes when you add too much almond butter, or when it becomes too liquid, that's the struggle a little bit that you'll have. But as long as you add more solid nuts and seeds, you'll be fine. Yeah, you want to do 2 more?
Sure. Looks really healthy, actually.
It's a great snack. And it's actually great for like office people because you can just put it in the freezer, and when you're hungry. Are you a snacker?
Sometimes.
I'm not really a snacker.
Yeah.
But whenever I do snack,
this comes to mind.
This is my go-to. Because I love chocolate and I love hazelnuts.
I can't stop now. It's actually really fun. I feel like
we have a little bit more.
You can do this with your kids as well.
Yeah, make them work, dude.
Yummy.
Okay, maybe one more.
Just
I have
complete
one
the circle.
Yeah. Yay.
Ta-da.
So next we actually have to freeze it a little bit so it firms up before we dip it in the chocolate. Okay, so after freezing it for a few hours, it will look like this, a bit more solid, so it's more compact. Okay, so now we're gonna dip it in our dark chocolate hazelnut butter, or you can use dark chocolate as you wish.
My favorite part.
Yeah, so why don't you do this for me?
Just
dip
halfway,
it in.
right?
Yeah, halfway. Take it out. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
And you place it. Yeah, and then keep going. Sorry. Ooh, yeah. Make sure you coat it well.
Slipping me a little bit.
Yeah.
My fingers are cold.
Okay, so, and then we're gonna freeze it again, so it becomes solid. And voila!
Wow.
Here we have it, frozen banana chocolate bites with almond butter.
Do we get to try it?
Yes.
Let's do it.
All right.
Wow.
Cheers.
Oops. Oh.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. I love it. I mean, chocolate and bananas, it's just such a great combination.
I actually don't like burgers, but I like this one. So good.
I love it. I feel like every time I eat this, I can't stop.
Mm.
Because personally, I love chocolate. I love hazelnut, banana, almond butter.
This is a great dessert.
It honestly is.
But you use dark chocolate, right?
Yeah, you can use dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate.
Mm.
We used the MOMO dark chocolate hazelnut butter.
So good.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for teaching us this melody. I'm sure we're going to make this at home.
You better. I'm
Yeah.
gonna check on you.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.